Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at two products. One is the Neewer OE160C LED barn door light and the RAV Power charging system. Stick around to find out more. Okay, so recently I've been trying to find some products to help me kind of level up my YouTube videos and to help with the lighting. I've changed the kind of our home studio setup in the dining room, and now I've got my two big lights above the desks in here, which I might give you a shot of later, but you're probably not interested, so I won't bother. Well, maybe I will. I don't know, shall I? Yeah, I will. Anyway, I digress. So I've got the two big lights there, which are giving a reasonable amount of light. But there's also a few little dark areas of the kind of the shots I'm trying to get, which is mostly kind of from this side and also a little bit behind me where there's a shadow from this unit. So what I thought I'd do is get some little LED battery powered lights just to kind of bring up the lighting a little bit in certain areas. So I was looking around and everyone's going on about these the Neewer 160s, the LED barn lamps. But I've recently found, after a little bit of researching, there is actually a slightly cheaper, well almost half the price cheaper model, which still has a lot of the features of the standard 160, but has a few little extra features which are quite nice. So let's take this out of the box a minute and so you can have a quick look and see what it's like. Now inside the box, you get the light itself, which we'll go into more detail in a bit. You get a instruction guide, which is not particularly interesting, but it just tells you what you can and can't do with it, but it's pretty straightforward, so we won't worry about that. But let's have a look at this light. Now this light is £12. Yeah, that's right, you heard it right, £12, £11.99 this was on Amazon, and that is my purchase there on the screen. You can see you purchased this item on the 22nd of January. I'll probably get a close-up of that so you can see it in detail. They're currently unavailable because they've run out of stock because they're such a good buy. But if you add it to your basket or add it to your list, when they come back in stock, Amazon will let you know and you can click that buy button like crazy and you can buy yourself some decent LED lights. Okay, sorry, getting excited. Right, so what do these comprise of? Basically, you've got a hot or cold shoe mount adapter, so you can put it on a tripod of your choice. So something like that is possible, because there's also a 1/4 inch thread, so you can stick it on your kind of cheapy little GoPro-esque or maybe what a Gorilla Pod type thing, so you can stick it on a tripod and angle your light wherever you want for your videos. Okay, so that's great, so you can put it where you want. Obviously you can mount it to the top of a camera, so if you're doing interviews or something like that and you want to get straight on light into the subject's face, if you're maybe filming at night or outdoors or in a club or something like that. So that's really good, you can do all those kinds of things. So that's the mounting. Obviously it's flexible and it's actually quite a strong plastic, I did notice. There's a kind of twist thumb screw on the side so you can keep it in position wherever you want it to be. That's all well and good. Now another great feature of this, some of these newer lights came with filters which you could slide in or slide out, and it's all a bit, yeah, you don't really want to be taking around extra little bits of plastic which can get lost or damaged or whatever. So this one, they've actually got built-in barn doors. So all you do, if you want a more harsh light, open the barn doors up and hit your subject with some light. Or if you want a nice diffused light, then just close the barn doors down and you're ready to go. So, filtered light, £12. Amazing. Now you're probably thinking, well, okay, that's really good, but what about different colours of light? Maybe I want to have a different colour. Well, they got that covered as well, because on the side you've got options for 32K tungsten style lighting, or 56,000 Kelvin, which is kind of daylight simulation, or because you're on a adjuster from sort of 0 to 100% on both, you can have a combination of the two. So you can take that down to, I guess it's about 40 something thousand Kelvins, which is brilliant. So dimmable, adjustable brightness, different color temperatures, built-in barn doors, and a kind of filter. On the back, you've got a test button, which can tell you how much battery charge you've got left in, and you've got a on-off rocker switch. So that's pretty much all the bases covered as far as I'm concerned. The only thing that you don't get with this, which some of the other newer products get, is a dedicated DC jack for continuous power. And some of them have the option to use AA batteries with a separate adapter. But again, there's more things that you've got to carry in your kit bag. The batteries didn't look particularly good in there. They looked like they were going to fall out at any minute. And the light was kind of double the price of this, so strange. But anyway, now talking of the power, this is powered by the kind of very standard now, I think they call them NP, yeah, Sony NP F series batteries. So you can get kind of little ones like this, little dinky ones, which is part of the other review we're doing in this video. Actually, let's move on to that now. So the batteries come courtesy of RAV Power. So they come with this nice little dual charger. And the other battery is in my other lamp over there, which, actually let's turn the other lamp on a minute, and so you can see what difference it'll make just to light up your subjects a little bit. So we hit the light. So added a little bit of light there. So hopefully now there's a little bit more light coming on this side of me, and hopefully it's lighting up a little bit more around this area. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but I'm going to play with it and sort of make it work for me. So going back to the battery charger, so you get two batteries and the charger, which runs off a micro USB cable. So if you ever lose the cable, it's not going to be a problem replacing the cable. So you plug that in, plug it into a USB power source, and the self-regulating internal mechanism will charge either a single or two batteries in there. Charging LED indicators, green for fully charged or no battery connected, and also red or flashing red is for charging, so you know what status your batteries are. So all well and good. So that's the charger. Now that is £24 roughly at the moment. I think it's a little bit more on Amazon currently. I think it's about £26, but when I bought it was 24, so price fluctuates a little bit. But again, put it in your basket, wait for it to price drop. When it price drops, hit the buy button, and you're done. So the batteries, easy fit. Just push them on the back, connect it in. You've got a release button on the side, so when you want to take the button out, take the battery out, just push it off. There you go, job done. And obviously that release button also acts as a safety mechanism, so the battery isn't going to fall out in transit or do anything crazy like that. So you turn it on, then you press the test button, and then you get your LEDs light up, if you can pick that up. So at the moment I've got just over half power, I would guess. Now depending on what type of batteries you've got, the LED will go higher or lower. So if you've got low amp hour batteries regardless, you're only going to get 3 LEDs maximum out of the 4. But if you go for the really big Sony NP batteries, obviously you'll get 4 lights and they will last a lot longer. Okay, so what shall I show you? Right, let's show you the light. So that is the light currently set at, that is 5600K, and that is on full brightness. So if we take that down a little bit, and you can see virtually nothing. And if I open up these, the barn doors, you can see the brightness. Now on full brightness, this thing is pretty harsh, but if you close the barn doors down a bit, it's not too bad, and I'm still a little bit blind from the dots. So let's go to tungsten. So with the tungsten, you get, see that's on nothing, take it right up to 100%, and there, that's quite a nice warm light. Don't know if that's making much difference to the shot, but you can do it. You can play with the lighting. I'm no lighting expert, I just know that these are a great deal, so you can do what you like with them. So let's try it now with a combination of both lights. So that's full brightness, so that's the full tungsten and full daylight, and it's giving off a really bright light. And actually, compared with my soft boxes out there, it seems brighter in a more concentrated area, which it would be because it's LEDs. But anyway, I've probably waffled on enough about these little things. If you're interested in these newer lights and you want to check them out, I'll put the show note links below, so you can check them out and buy one. And Amazon being Amazon, if you can buy them, and if you don't like them, send them back anyway. You don't have to trust my judgment, but I'm going to be using these in all the future videos, so I'll stick them around so you can see what they look like. And that's pretty much it. So I've been Mike. These have been the Neewer OE-160C LED lights, and this has been the RAV Power charger. Again, I'll put all the links in the show notes below. We'll catch you again in the next video. Thanks very much for watching.